Did Santa Claus come?
No.
Check the cookie. Did he eat the cookie? Did he eat the cookie? He ate it?
Yeah.
Did he drink the water? Oh my God. Did Santa Claus come now? Huh?
No.
Who put the gifts there? Who puts the gifts?
I opened myself.
You opened that yourself?
Yeah.
But who put the gifts? I think Santa Claus did because he ate the cookie. Right?
Santa not coming.
He came, Bubby. He came when you sleep. That's why he ate the cookie and drank the water.
He drank it all.
He drank it all?
Yeah.
He was thirsty.
Huh?
He was thirsty. See? You left him a letter, and he ate the cookie.
This?
Yeah.
My name.
Your name.